Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So today I'm once again in this 2008 R56 Mini, and in this video today I'm just going to show you how to reset this tire pressure warning indicator. Okay, so we're going to be using this button here on the indicator stalk, and what you want to do is keep pressing that until set info appears on the lower display here. So I'm just going to do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, set info. Then press it again and keep it pressed in until it goes to check info, and then start pressing it again. 1, 2, and then it comes to the tire pressure reset option, and press and keep it pressed again, and that tick appears, which means the reset is done, and it actually kind of like fully gets done once you drive off. Guys, a bit of extra info for you, because to be honest, I don't normally record sort of videos like this, because that procedure is actually in the manual. And even though I know that, yes, you know, it is easier just to watch a video than to sort of like, you know, read up on the manual, but there is actually a couple of other videos on doing this on YouTube already. And normally if there is already other videos on doing something, I certainly won't do it again, because especially if they're good videos, because that get the job done, because there's no point in replicating information that's already out there. But actually the part of the reason why I wanted to record this video is just to give you a bit of extra information, actually, and that is in relation to how the system works. Because on this car, for example, there seems to be like a very slight loss of air from the driver's side front wheel over there. It's a sort of thing that, you know, over maybe the space of a month, it will go down to where it's like just visually noticeable. Now, interestingly, what happened on this car is when actually the pressure had gone down, that light never came on. But then sort of once I could like visually see that it was low, I obviously pumped it up, and then the light came on after I pumped it up, which is really bizarre. That's not, you know, because obviously not how you expect it to work. You know, you'd expect the light to come on sort of when the tire goes low, and to go off once you pumped it up. Now, I think the reason it works that way is because I think the system is set up so that it doesn't react to very slow changes in pressure. It only reacts to like a big change in pressure. So that's why if you got a very slow puncture, I think that it can go down without triggering the light. But then once you pumped it up, because that's like effectively a sudden change in pressure, then that makes the light come on. So I just thought that's worth pointing out to you, because obviously if you don't know that, you might be thinking, well, either that you haven't pumped it up enough or something, the tire, or that there's something wrong with the system. And as far as I'm aware, no, that's just the way it works. So all right guys, so hope it was useful to you, and catch you guys on another video soon. Cheers, bye.